Stop by and take a look at the 2018 GLA. The Mercedes GLA class offers the versatility of a hatchback, but with the power of a sports car. The exterior styling is aggressive and resembles that of other Mercedes models and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.